eCoin is ExtentWorld Coin, which is a virtual currency used within the ExtentWorld social network. eCoin is not a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. eCoin is used for all payments on ExtentWorld, such as rewarding for good content or paying to view hidden posts. You can buy eCoin with USD with a rate of 1 eCoin equals $0.1. To buy eCoins, you may need to start with adding USD funds. You can add USD fund using credit or debit card. Funding amount must be at least 20 USD. After adding USD funds to your account, you can now buy eCoins with your USD funds. You can also send eCoins to other users on ExtentWorld. Make sure to view your eCoin activities after each of your eCoin transactions. eCoin is used to buy shares, which will be converted to ExtentWorld common stocks after ExtentWorld IPO. eShare is pre-IPO ExtentWorld share. 100 million eShares equals 100% ExtentWorld equity. Having eShares means you are a future shareholder of ExtentWorld. ExtentWorld.com. Make social media a better world.